Hello and welcome back, everybody. Today we're checking out Dead Man's Hollow. This place is just outside of McKeesport, Pennsylvania. So there's some old ruins in the woods we're looking for. The ruins of the Bowman Brickyard and the Union Sewer Pipe Company. From what I read, both companies were started in the late 1880s. And then in 1920, they burned down and the ruins have just been left out here ever since. The fire was too devastating to actually rebuild or do anything. So this hollow got its name from a group of boys in 1874, I believe it was. I found a dead body out here. So this led to a lot of local superstition about the hollow being haunted. There's also a lot of legends of criminals and outlaws back in the day hiding out back here. But I just found it today, decided to take a trip and check it out. Looks really cool. There's some thunderstorms rolling in. Weather's not on my side, so I'm gonna put you guys away here. If you like this content, please like and subscribe. Let's see what we can find, guys. So I'm still on my way to go see the ruins, and there just so happens to be an abandoned rail line right next to the trail. I don't know a whole lot about this rail line. I'm gonna dig into it some more when I get home, but pretty cool nonetheless. Looks like it goes for close to 1,000 feet here. I'm sure there's some other rail lines out in the woods. So if we're lucky, maybe we'll see another one. But I'm gonna put you guys back away. I'm trying to figure out if there's a side trail I need to get to find these ruins, so catch you guys in a few. All right, so now we are on the Dead Man's Hollow Trail. Just walked away from the main bike path, saw the sign, so I'll be keeping my eyes peeled for anything cool. I may also veer off and check out some of these rock faces. We have an old walkway here. Also got some old ruins. Wow, wonder if this was around back when this building was still up and running. Super cool. Well, I haven't seen any ghosts yet. I'm gonna make my way further up the trail. I do wonder if the lizard people are out here though. Please keep an eye out in my videos. A couple of people said they saw some lizard people in the background. Watch my video all the way through and kind of let me know if you see anything. And mention where you saw it down in the comments. Anyhow, let's continue our trip. A wise man once said, always check out the side trails. And we did. We found the Enchanted Staircase. So let us see where this goes. I always find some of the coolest stuff on the side trails. I actually found Professor Klein's Haunted Monster Museum in Virginia on accident because I decided to check out a side trail. Ever since then, if there's a side trail, I stop and check it out. Huh. Some ruins back here. Hopefully you all can see some brick structures back here. Some more brick structures. This definitely used to be a building back here at one point. It's all brick in there. You can actually see the foundation. Some sort of a building. All right. Maybe we're on to something. Yep, that is an old foundation in there. It's a little overgrown for my taste. That's all poison ivy. But I'm gonna loop around and see if there's some more stuff close to the trail here. So this looks like it used to be a drainage canal. We got an old culvert over here. Wow. What do you guys think? Should we go in? Let me get my flashlight. We'll go take a little peek, huh? All right. Notice all the little old clay pipes. Assuming that was from the sewage pipe company. Wow, they're really just all over the place. Hey. Hey there, little salamander. You guys see him? We'll try and be careful not to step on you, buddy. It's a little misty down here, if I do say so myself. Huh. Wow. Don't know if I'll be crawling in there. I am once again by myself, so that might be a no-go. Wow, that's cool. All right. You might notice there's a bit of a mist coming out of here. Echo! Nope. Not long enough for an echo. Man, there's clay pipes everywhere. I swear. Again, if you like this content, please like and subscribe. I found a ton of cool places I think you all will love and appreciate, so be sure to join me on these cool adventures. Do see light around the corner. Going a little slow. Unlike caves, a lot of animals could survive in here, so it's best that I pay attention. There's also thunderstorms coming in, so I probably don't want to be down here if it starts downpouring. This is where all the water's going to come through. Hey. Oh, cool. Super neat. So this comes right out to the river. Get a load of that. Well, this has certainly been an interesting part of the trip. Super cool. In case you were wondering, this is the Yakagani River. All right. Guess we'll return back to the woods and see what else we can find, huh? So there's a pipe that ran to the side out of that big drainage culvert. That's the one we crawled through earlier. So I'm guessing there might be some more structures further out this way. No promises, but I'm at least going to take a peek. I'm too curious not to. All right, I'm going to put you guys away for a second. Alrighty, everyone. No luck on the side trail. I didn't find anything back there, so I think I found just about everything for today. Thank you for joining me. If you like this content, please like and subscribe. Tap the little bell notification button to the right, and I will catch you all next time.